In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pages in your Figma file. Figma is a powerful collaborative interface design tool, perfect for designers who need to work in sync. Creating pages in Figma can help organize your project efficiently, especially when working on complex designs with multiple screens or components. Let's get started. First, head over to the Figma website. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so now. Simply click on the login button found at the top right corner of your screen. Enter your credentials if prompted. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed straight to your home page. This area displays your recent files and projects. It's like a dashboard where you can see all your creative endeavors at a glance. Now direct your attention to the options at the top of your screen. Click on Design, which will open up your workspace. This is where the magic happens. As it's the arena for all your design creativity in Figma, you'll see your current design projects listed here, and you can easily switch between them if you have more than one in progress. Next, let's add a new page to your design file. On the left side of your screen, you'll spot a panel that shows your current pages and layers. In this panel, you should see a tab labeled Pages along the top. Click on this tab to bring up the current page or pages in your design file. This is essential, as having separate pages helps manage different user flows or components without getting things mixed up. Once you've navigated to the Pages tab, it's time to add that new page. Look for the button labeled Add New Page. Click on it, and voila, you've just added a new page to your Figma project. This new page provides a blank canvas where you can start anew, helping keep your different design elements structured and reducing any potential clutter in your main workspace. Having multiple pages is highly beneficial in larger projects, as each page can host different elements or parts of your design. Remember, you can rename these pages according to the content they hold, which can be quite handy for keeping track of your work. Just double click on the name of the new page and type in a unique descriptive name. And there you have it, a straightforward process for creating pages within your Figma file. This basic yet powerful skill will certainly enhance your workflow, allowing you to manage designs efficiently and collaboratively. If you've got any questions or need further clarification on any steps, feel free to drop them in the comments. Until next time, keep designing with ease.